Hi, my name is Eric Nelson. I'm a developer on the Ansible Service Broker team, and I'm going to be showing off the new Realist feature that we've added. It was actually a patch. It was a two-part change. One piece was added to the service catalog to support the actual manual trigger of a sync between the catalog and the broker. And then the second piece was a patch to our APB tooling that allows for sort of an ease of use. So to start with, I guess you can see that we have some APBs that are initially available as an inventory of the service catalog that was offered up by our broker. As you can see, there's no APBs that contain my name. So now as an APB author, I want to get my APB to show up here. So I'm going to come over here, and I've got a bunch of APBs from source here. So I'm going to go in and maybe tweak Hello World. Let's just edit the APB YAML file here. So I'm going to add my display name and call it Eric's Hello World APB. And I am going to push this to our broker so the broker is aware of it. So as usual, that's done with an APB push command. But with the new tooling, there's an additional switch. By default, APB push will relist. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to pass a no relist switch. So I'm going to push that to the broker. We can see that was successfully added to the broker. So let's interrogate the broker and see what APBs it's aware of. So I'm going to do that with an APB list. So we can see it sourced a bunch from the Docker Hub adapter, as well as the Hello World that I just pushed. However, if I do an OC get service classes, which is asking the catalog for the service classes that it offers, we don't see a push sourced APB. And if we come over here and refresh the page, oops, we can see that it's still not available in the interface. So to demonstrate the change in the catalog, and this is sort of these are the backend guts, and you can apply this to any this will apply to any broker that the catalog is aware of. You can do an OC edit service broker, Ansible service broker, and I'm going to come in and I'm going to look for a field called relist requests. And if I were to increment that and save that back, we should see my push sourced APB. So now the service catalog is actually aware of the APB that I just pushed to the broker. And again, if we relist the page here, refresh the page, and I do a search for Eric, we see that my Hello World APB is now available from the catalog. So as a convenience, we've added a Realist feature to the APB tooling so that you don't have to actually get in there and change the broker. It's a little bit of an implementation detail when it comes to the catalog. So for demonstration purposes, let me go edit another. I guess I'll choose Hastebin. And I'll call this one Eric's Hastebin. I'll save that off, and then I'm going to push it again. So this time, you can see I didn't pass the no relist flag. So what it did was it pushed it to the broker, and then it automatically relisted the service catalog. So let's refresh over here. And now you can see both of those APBs are available, the Hastebin and the Hello World. So additionally, there is a direct command, a relist command, and that has a bunch of sort of bookkeeping switches that you can add for authentication purposes and telling it where the broker lives. So that's if you wanted to just trigger a relist, that's one way you can do that with the broker. And then also APB Bootstrap also supports that out of the box and also supports a no relist switch. So that is the new relist feature that we've added to both the catalog and the APB tooling. And that should be available from any catalog of above version 0.0.21 as well as Origin version 3.7. Thanks very much.